Okay, in this code, we will explain how the OpenGL triangle works. Well, starting with this code, gfloat vertices. This line defines an array of floats that specifies the coordinates of the vertices of the triangle. Well, this code right here, this line generates the vertex buffer object, which is the VBO, and the vertex array objects, which is the VAO, that are used to store the vertex data. As for this code right here, this line binds the vertex array object. As for this code, this line specify how the vertex data is laid out in the memory and enable the vertex attribute array. While this code right here, this line unbinds the vertex buffer object. As for the next one, this line unbinds the vertex array object. So sa mga code na to, ito yung pinaka-importante na ginamit natin. Kasi ito yung mga vertices ng triangle para magawa natin tulad nito. Yan. So itong code na to, pinaka-importante para maayos natin ang triangle natin. That is all.